What is global warming? Global warming refers to an unequal and continual rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system due to the greenhouse gases. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग मीन्स एक बराबर के तौर पर न होके लगातार टेम्परेचर में बढ़त होना अर्थ की क्लाइमेट सिस्टम की वजह से, ग्रीन हाउस गैस की वजह से हमें ये ग्लोबल वार्मिंग ये होता है. It occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere entrap infrared radiation UV rays यानी ultraviolet rays. This effect makes the planet warmer which subsequently reaches to global warming. ये जो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग में है, जो कुछ गैसेस है वो एटमॉस्फेयर में अल्ट्रावायलेट उसको ट्रैप कर लेती है. ये जो प्लैनेट होता है वो गर्म होने लगता है. नाउ लेट्स सी इन दिस पिक्चर. सी द सन is falling. This arrow you can see here, this arrow towards the earth. What is happening? This falling on the earth. It reflects back. The greenhouse effect. Due to this, the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, CFC and halocarbons play an active role in the greenhouse effect. The increase in the proportion of these gases leads to the problem of global warming and the climate changes. तो पहले क्या होता था कि ये सन की जो ये रेज होती है वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके वापस चली जाती थी और ये रेडिएशन भी यहाँ से एस्केप हो जाता था. बट नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? Gases have increases a lot on the earth. So the rays which is falling on the earth cannot escape back to the atmosphere. They are getting trapped in the atmosphere just because of the presence of too much carbons contained. Because of that, ozone layer is also affected. Methane. The massive increase in methane proportion from 315 ppm in the year 1715 to 1764. Now ppm means part per million. In the year 2005 was due to the reason listed below. Now reason and release of methane. Exhaling of animals and metabolism process 14 crore ton. Paddy cultivation 15 crore ton. Decomposition of the biodegradable waste 7 crore ton. Due to this much release of methane. All the things used by human in one day has 80% of the air in it. A man breathes 22,000 times every day. In this way, a man consumes 16 kg of oxygen from the environment per day. Nitrous oxide. The proportion of nitrous oxide has increased from 270 ppm to recent 319 ppm से ये बढ़ गया. Now chlorofluorocarbon CFC. Due to the use of foam, plastic, refrigerator, AC circuit, aerosol spray, the minute particles having the size ranging from 1 micron 10 micron is known as aerosol, etc. There has been an increase in the CFC. ये यूज़ करने से ये गैस बढ़ गई है. As per the resolution passed by the UN on 23rd January 1995, 16 September is observed as the Ozone Day. After 1980, year 2007 was the hottest year. Which was the hottest year? You have to learn this. 2007. Now, effect of global warming. Changes are observed in the growth and development of the vegetation. Certain species of birds are now disappearing, such as sparrows and vultures. 2000 glaciers of Himalayas have melted. Now, sparrow और vulture जैसे species अब disappear हो गई है, अभी ख़त्म हो गई है. और ये gradually changes observed in the glaciers. You can see in 2001, 2003 and 2006. ये कम होता चला जाता है, ये मेल्ट होता है ग्लेशियर. Now, non-conventional sources of energy, यानी renewable, endless supply. These are the different sources of energy which are convenient at the present. जैसे कि solar energy, wind energy, biomass and tidal energy, non-conventional sources of energy. These sorts of energy are pollution free, so it is useful to us. Now these are the measures to prevent global warming that you have to read in your book. Now, global policy to protect environment. Now I will explain in short. See, a conference was held first at Stockholm, the capital of the Sweden, in 1972, and then in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. मीटिंग क्यों हुई थी? टू थिंक ऑफ वेज टू प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरमेंट, इसलिए मीटिंग हुई थी. सी, नाउ ऑन एन एवरेज सिटीजन इन द वर्ल्ड एमिट्स 4.5 मेट्रिक टन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ना पूरे वर्ल्ड में इतना मेट्रिक टन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज होता है, मतलब निकलता है. नाउ इंडियन सिटीजन एमिट्स 1.2 metric ton carbon dioxide. Other developing nations release far lesser carbon dioxide gas. दूसरे देशों में थोड़ा कम होता है. Large amount of concession should be given for the development and the more restrictions should be imposed on the countries like the USA, as an average American emits 20.6 metric ton carbon dioxide, यानी greenhouse gases. So it was observed that developed a nation like USA should adopt the carbon cut policy seriously, as every US citizen produced 20.6 metric ton.